Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, SalesforceFighters. Today start Salesforce developers interview questions, and topic name is Lightning Web Compounds and LWC. So LWC is a sensor-based questions. Very important video. Don't miss video watching. So start the video. First questions. I can be called the aura enabled function in the apex class using the wire function. Also the need to the have cacheables is equal to true attentions. I should be like aura enables cacheables is equal to true. Next questions. What do you mean by the cacheable is equal to true attentions? First of all, when you mark function as capable is equal to true, it can be only retrieve data. It can't have any DML. It is used to improve compounds performance by quickly showing the cache data from client side storage without the waiting for the server trips. Remember for the refresh the stale data provisions by Apex we have to use refresh Apex as LDS does not manage data coming from Apex in case of wire service. Next questions, wire get boat type ID. This boat type ID get boat errors data will be above the code's deploy, assuming all the variable and Apex class function exit. No, it won't when passing a variable in the wire. You should always use among with the variable. It is should be written like the wire get boat and boat type ID, both type ID. Next questions. What sorry, why do we use when passing the property in wire the function? What does it mean? Prefix tell the wire service to treat value the password as a property of the class and evaluate it as this property name, and the property is a reactive if the property is a value change, new data is a provisions, and compounds renders. Next question, since I based the Salesforce Lightning questions, if I want to the refresh the wire data in the above function, I can call the refresh apex. This is a sum wire the get boot and type ID get boot errors data if data this is this dot sum wire is equal to data this errors is equal to identify, else if errors this sum var is equal to identify. No we want no we can't call refresh the apex, this is some var. Rather refresh apex is called one of the old result provisions from the wire service, not just the data part of we will have to the rewrite it as believe where the get boot type ID boot ID types get boot result this main result if result data this var result data this errors is equal to identify, else if result errors this errors is equal to result errors this sum var is equal to identify. Now we can't refresh data as refresh apex this means result. Next questions, when is the wire the method property call in the life cycle of compounds? Wire service is a call right after compounds is created its AI after the constructor and is again called when the parameters that you are the passing is made available. Next question, it is a mandatory to use data errors only in the wires methods. Can I can I use some other the variable likes below where the get Get what is my data, my errors. If my data console long, I am in the data. Else if the my errors console long, I am in errors. Console long, I am in errors. Console long, I am in errors. Will the code deploy the successful or the I will retrieve the and errors. Next questions. What is the difference in a believe? Two code will they both complied give some result? Both will complied they are the same. Next questions. What is the difference between the event stop propagations and event prevent default? Stop probations and prevent the futures propagations of the current event in the capturing and dubbing phase. Prevent default the prevent and prevent the default actions the browser makes on the event. If we add require attribute the lightning, the input will be get an errors on the living in the feeds MP3. No, unless you also add a logic in a backend JavaScript file to the actually throw an errors using the check validity and the report validity. Next question: are you quick actions supported for the LWC compounds? Quick actions are the supported by LWC in the summer 21 or the later org LWC. LWC. Quick actions are the only supported on the records page. Thank you so much, friends. Very important video and very important questions and lightning web components related questions and helpful the question in into the cracks. So please subscribe to my YouTube channels, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Bye, friends.